Hi guys, this is Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 3, Lesson 1. Now, in this video, we're talking about being able to compare a length of objects by aligning endpoints. Now, before we get started on being able to solve this problem, let's talk about that word endpoint. Endpoint's super important when we're talking about measurement because both of the objects, or all of the objects, if there's more than two, has to start at the endpoint. The endpoint is where both or all of the objects first start, to where they can be measured fairly. Okay, so looking at this one right here, we're talking about a glue and a juice bottle. And we have to read both of these statements and figure out which one is correct. Now the first one says the glue is shorter than the juice box. Well, looking at this, it looks like the glue is shorter than the juice box. So this one could be right. But let's look at the other statement just to make sure. It says the glue is longer than the juice box. Well, looking at this, the glue is definitely not longer because we know that longer would mean that it's taller or it's bigger. And that's definitely not the case. So we know that the glue is shorter. It's smaller than that juice box. So it is A. The glue is shorter than the juice box. Alright guys, that's it for this lesson.